Through the streets of Baltimore, you've heard the engines, you've seen the accidents, and even witnessed the deaths or close calls.
It is illegal to operate a dirt bike on public or private property in the city and to own or possess a dirt bike unless it's securely locked up.
Wanted to show y'all how I wake up. People think I wake up in the morning and go. That's not the process. These two are called liners. These go on my leg and it goes inside here. So it's like no way that you can just wake up and go. You have to clean these if you didn't do it the night before like I did. Inside out. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. What do you mean? Yeah, bro. Just an extra added routine that I gotta do. I just wanted to show y'all because a lot of people probably think it's easier. It's far more complicated, so I just want to kind of show y'all the ins and outs. I feel like I'm y'all only friend with a prosthetic leg at times. Only cool friend with a prosthetic leg, whichever one it is. I know I'm y'all only cool friend. I already got this thing cleaned up, so now I have to line it up. So I have to put it on my leg and line it up. Dream, really? Come on, also gonna get me copyrighted. So you line it up, you kind of line it up perfect, like this. Boom, I got it first. Wow, that's only because y'all watching. That's only because y'all watching. If y'all wasn't watching, I promise you I wouldn't have got on the first round. I wouldn't have. And look, just like that, you put it in, hold on. See that? You gotta get it till it click. Just like that, my leg is on, and now I am able to walk. Catch y'all when I turn the camera back on. Where we going? Where are we? We in Narnia? Where Elsa? Where's Elsa? No. So, real quick, I wanted to touch bases on last video, last vlog, about me going to court and accepting the plea deal. For the most part, they gave me a 1-day sentence, so they put us on probation for 1 day.
What?
If you think you're gonna ride in Baltimore City and run away from this, it's not gonna happen. I'm not even trying to rain on nobody's parade, but just get what I'm putting down.
But perhaps what you don't know is the culture behind it all and just how deep it is.
If I was to give out a bike to every rider in the city. Rest in peace, Mr. WJZ Dev, man. And look right there, as y'all can see, I'm editing this joint. I'm like, hold up. I remember this day. This is the day when me and Dev, it was like a weekday, came out and the motherfucking news shopper followed us around all day. And this is the day when he changed his name into WJZ Dev. Rest in peace, WJZ Dev. The reason Bikelife is Bikelife, Travel Team is Travel Team. You don't salute you enough, brother. All right, now, back to the video.
Baltimore City wouldn't be able to do anything, but let it happen.
The face hidden in the dark, a Baltimore father of 4 who's a professional by day. He's been dirt biking for nearly 20 years. But with the bikes comes controversy. The videos of wheelies and stunts weaving in and out of traffic, taking over city streets as crowds watch on, have all gone viral. Baltimore police think dirt bikers are such a problem, they formed a task force with the sole focus of catching riders. They've confiscated more than 800 bikes.
Now, it is illegal to operate a dirt bike on public or private property in the city and to own or possess a dirt bike unless it's securely locked up. If in violation of the law, it can be seized. Police do not need a warrant to seize a bike.
That's how it is in Baltimore, bro. In Baltimore, I promise you, if you have your bikes and you had your bike on the back of the truck and you're in Baltimore City, say if you pull up and you holler at me, you pull up, you holler at Grape, you pull up and holler at Charlie, Chino, whoever, and you just got your bikes on the back of the truck. You coming from New York to Florida, you just driving. Bikes on the back of the pickup. The police can literally pull up and take those bikes from you, legally. How frustrating this situation sounds and how it is in the city, that's just what it is. Bikes is banned in Baltimore. So starting with that, how the f can you ride in Baltimore City? Let's just starting with that situation, that no matter what, this bike is illegal. Like I'm going to DC ride, I'm going to ride in the land, I'm riding everywhere else until, you know, and like I said, I'm in the reserves too. Meaning I only ride when I want to, or I ride when I'm called to. So I don't have a purpose, being as though my history, I already got that out of my system. You know, the horniness of having to ride and have to go all these cities and make my name solidify. It's already done. I've been riding since 2006. 2005 really, but I'm gonna say 2006. That's when, I bought my own bike. Daddy had me a bike in 2005. You know how that go. I was sneaking that motherfucker out every chance I got. But it's all about now is the better life for my children, bro. It's not about me no more. So now I really think about them and riding for them and bringing them to things like this and doing things with them that I wish my father could have done with me. Not saying he didn't, like he was a bad father or something. We had different circumstances. He prepared me and blessed me to be the man I am, to raise my children the way I am. And the way me and my wife are, they able to, this is a random day, we just take them on a ride and, go play, play in the woods and go outside. The ins and outs of Baltimore bike life, like I really want y'all to understand what we go through in my city and the reason why I say that bike life is over, not for y'all, but bike life is over for me, bro. Bike life is not over for y'all. Bike life is over for me. You can retire from bike life, bro. And I retired on top, you know what I mean? So, what's the best way to retire than on top? And another thing, bro. A lot of you motherfuckers, bro, y'all can fix dirt bikes on sidewalks. In Baltimore, we cannot do that, bro. You cannot have no bikes in city limits of Baltimore City whatsoever, bro. None. Anything that y'all going through now, whether it's task force, whether it's the motherfucking cameras, whether it's the motherfucking spikes, whether it's the helicopters, nigga, the helicopter, we had helicopters chasing us, so man, the end all, right? The more you ride bikes, the more chances, especially the way I ride them on the streets illegally, the more you ride bikes, the more you chance, something going wrong. I'm making the chances of something going down more greater rather than me breaking. Like, just imagine, I already got one leg gone. So just imagine if I break the other. Let's just think that through. If I break the other leg, then what you think? Then what? How am I gonna carry my kids up the stairs? I live in a three-story house. How am I gonna carry my kids up the stairs? How am I gonna help my wife? Like, think about that part, though. The only reason I made a comeback to riding bikes, period, bro, and I put this on God, bro. I put this on my dead son. The only reason is to prove to myself that I can do it. Not to my wife, not to my kids, not to my motherfucking homeboys, to my pack, none of that. To the raised up guys, no. That was it, bro. It's to prove to Shamar that he can do it. Once I prove to me that I can do it, it's over now. Now, when, oh, yo, we gonna go to Cleveland. Yeah, I'm going to Cleveland. Oh, yo, we going here. I'm going there. But yeah, man, I'm more into, riding bikes. There's more hobbies in life than dirt bikes. I'm into dog breeding now. I'm into riding electric bikes, pedal bikes now, working out. Like I said, doing a lot of different hobbies with my children. There's so much other things in life we can do than doing this. And now me knowing it's so oversaturated. And me also, I can talk about this, now I'm being paid from this. So now I never auditioned for not one movie that I was on. But now I get paid for it. Yes, never auditioned, never asked nobody, hey, can you hook me up? No, literally, Wayne called me, plugged me in Charm City, Kevin called, and Kevin and Jay Lynch and Miss Jackie, shout out to Miss Jackie, I love you. Like, they catapulted me so I can go ahead and, do Bad Boys 3 and then put the cherry on top. My picture was on the back of the shirt, which, ended up in that trailer to get me where I need to be. So, I didn't audition for Bad Boys. They literally, not one audition. Didn't ask. They asked me. And of course, I went and I obliged. I thought it was cap. I really thought they called me, yo, hey, I just got done wrapping up Charm City. Hey, Shamar, are you available to come down to shoot the movie? I thought it was cap. My wife right here, she knew I thought it was cap. She thought I was bullshit. That being said, yeah, I went, made a living off of it. And thank God, I was able to survive it. We're gonna get to the elephant in the room sooner or later. But right now, we're gonna start from the beginning, and we're gonna work our way all the way to the elephant in the room, which is how did I lose my leg and whatnot. You know, I will break that down to y'all within this series. Try to put it out more. Every 2 to 3 days, I'm gonna put out more and more content, evolving of why I feel like my bike life career is over. It's over. Southern got me out here. He wanted to ride bikes today, so me being the good pops that I am, taking him ride bikes today. Let's see what he did. I think he busted up. Look at him, bird. Let's see. Let's see what he got. Got your one hand. Look, I don't got nowhere to go. You better run me up the street. You want to race? Yeah. From the dig. I'm going to race you in sport mode.
It's called grip.
Sport?
You're going to take long.
How you get on this side? All right. You say go. Louder, louder.
Yeah.
Got him.
Started trying to city, call it L&D. I would never think I'll ever see a million off of weed. And I gotta tell the world what the OG said to me. If you tryna beat the streets, why you winning, gotta leave. With me and 2 G's, with the pedal in the G. And in York, with the promise for the week. How the fuck you catch a case when you moving so elite? Going in the store, buy a Louis like it's cheap. 570 horsepower, 123. In my city, all the boys wanna run up into me. Of my feelings for a minute, now I'm better in the me. Now I'm living on the edge, it's not an enemy. All the cities for the diamond, with my energy. And the river was long, I was stopping me. I ain't trying to be good, so you stay on me. I ain't thinking about these niggas trying to build my legacy. And my plane run deeper than the seas. I ride around town with my 30 on the seat. When you step from my country, look at you. Bad beauty on the streets. This is 2023, 20,000 in the gym. President's road, lots of the team. I see I can't go for the pounds in the ring. I've been pushing for the scales and the pounds in my dream. You can't even judge, you ain't seen what I've seen. Like Martin wearing jeans with the man with the beam. This is for the 3 letters, put in pain for the team. And it's blood, sweat, and tears, what I paid for the chain. Any niggas should be thankful what I gave to the game. Breathe. Breathe. I done put a buck on my sleeve. If it wasn't for the ghetto, where the fuck would I be? I'ma make sure niggas never gon' forget about me. I'm with drillers in the trenches, they kill about me. I'm like a nail, I'm like a hammer, they can't build without me. I'm like the Perkins to the Gremlins, they can't feel without me. I'm like the bullets to the glitzy, they can't kill without me. I brought the label to the trenches, they can never doubt me. They ain't give a nigga nothing, they ain't never helped me. I'm the motherfucking key to real MVP. You would think I was invincible, they can't see me. And I'm wearing Gucci stuff because my pants GG. They don't know how I feel about the niggas I lost. They don't know how much all the lawyers gon' cost. And I'm still traumatized, all the things I saw. All I know is keep playing my part. When I started Charlotte City, used to call it L&D. I would never think I'll ever see a million off of weed. And I gotta tell the world what the OG said to me. If you tryna beat the streets, while you winning, gotta leave. It was me and TG, 300 pounds up in a G. In New York, with the profits for the week. How the fuck we catch a case, we was moving so elite. We be going in the store, buying Louis like it's cheap. That's just the way we are, but that's the way it is. Remember we was kids. Man, they need to free my dogs. They got them doing big. No, I can't bring you niggas round if you gon' tell a bitch. When I leave, I might come back, but she know what it is. I was lost for a little while, but now I think I found it. I got bags and I got racks, you know I make a count it. I got chains and I got rings, I'm like a water fountain. I be deep up in that water, but I'm never drowning. You don't want no bags and want no cash, you better not come around. Yes, I be the one that's never around, catch me out of town. Yes, I be the one that never had it, now I got it now. Got it now I be styling now, you know I'm wildin' out. I jumped out the porch, I got some racks and left my mom.
It's real, baby. Ain't no way out. There's no cameras.